The Dolphins, apparently open to changes at tight end, will host veteran Dwayne Allen on Friday, a source confirmed. Miami will be the fourth team Allen is visiting this week, after visits to Baltimore, Buffalo and Detroit. Allen was released by New England on Monday in a move that will save the Patriots $7.3 million. Allen, 29, had just 3 catches for 27 yards in 13 games for New England last season, including 8 starts, but is a skilled blocker. He played 365 snaps on offense, 32.6% for the Pats this past season, per Pro Football Focus, but was used as a blocker on the vast majority of those plays. He was targeted only 26 times as a receiver in his 2 years in New England and caught 13 of those targets for 113 yards. He caught 35 passes for 406 yards for the Colts in 2016, his last of 5 seasons in Indianapolis. Allen has 139 receptions for 1,564 yards and 20 touchdown receptions in 7 NFL seasons. The Dolphins have 3 tight ends under contract: Mike Gesicki, Durham Smythe and Nick O'Leary. Gesicki, the team's second-round pick last April, had a disappointing rookie season, 22 catches for 202 yards. Smythe, the team's fourth-round pick last April, was drafted with the hope that he could become a high-level NFL blocking tight end, his strength at Notre Dame. O'Leary was signed to the practice squad last September, impressed enough not only to earn a promotion but a modest contract extension that will pay him $1.5 million in 2019. But the meeting with Allen suggests Miami might not believe that group is good enough for 2019. Tight end Marquise Gray, who missed last season with a torn Achilles, is eligible to become a free agent next week. Please check out my Thursday 6-pack of Dolphins notes, including offensive line plans, Drew Lock talk and more.